going to go, right?
What's up, guys? We're down in Florida doing some bridge fishing for some monsters, and let me tell you, we're going to get into some action here. The primary target is bull redfish, but there is other bycatch. So the baits we're using are blue claw crab, spot, live lined, and some chunks of bluefish, along with a little bit of shrimp. Oh, he's kicking. Well, there's your fish right there swimming around at the top. Ooh.
I wanna rock. Go, go.
Pull down, goddammit.
Get your ass over to the front of the boat. Oh, shit. Yeah, buddy. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, boy. Oh. He's pulling the boat. Oh. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. Oh, yeah. Oh, red, bull red. Oh, I got him in the corner of the mouth. Yeah, buddy. Ha ha. He's still got a little life in him. We'll wear him out a little bit. Here he comes. All right. Oh, oh, try to bitch slap.
He set me up.
He's like, come over here.
I got something for you.
Oh.
Don't try that again.
Oh, we still got life.
That would have hurt me.
Oh, yeah. Here he comes, here he comes. Oh.
You gotta keep your mouth shut, dude. No, don't do the death roll. We're doing a death roll.
All right.
Oh,
Slacked off. Nice one.
I wants to slap somebody.
There we go.
They are frisky when it's cold.
Yeah.
Way to go. I can't believe you pulled that out. That must have been dumb.
Oh.
Woo! Look at that.
Oh, hold on.
That's nice. I love it.
Oh, yeah.
I'll take one of those. I'll take one of those.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, look at that motherfucker right there. Why, shit.
Everybody can see. That's a great idea.
Nope. Let me get. Okay. Come on, buddy. Come on. There he goes. He happy?
Good job, Bronco.
Yeah. Go under. Go under.
Oh,
Yeah, I don't know how. He might need to go to the ER, that one.
I do that all the time.
He's hurt.
Oh yeah, you gotta take him out of the game.
Don't do it with a new thing.
Okay, you want him back?
Oh yeah,
You
after
think I
that.
stunned him?
Yeah, he does it.
He's hurt.
Oh, look at his eyeball. Oh, that eyeball.
The one eyeball, yeah. Yeah, it's warm. Oh. Oh. Should I start reeling?
Is it tight?
Oh,
Yeah, buddy!
Go towards the front. Go towards the front. Go towards the front. Keep it away from that wall. Keep it away from that wall. Reel.
damn.
Nice and easy now. Nice.
Okay. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm trying. There we go. Oh my. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's big.
Buddy!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Look at that.
My dream fish, and you caught it.
That's awesome.
Barely hooked.
Barely hooked. Look at his lip.
Wow, Todd. Good job, big dog.
Nice,
That ain't
dude.
easy
I-
to do.
He got teeth. I can grip him in the mouth or no.
Oh, I got two.
Oh my god.
I can slack off now, right? You already got you?
Yeah, barely touched him.
Oh, look at them teeth. Wow.
Yeah, you barely touched them teeth.
Oh, no. Whoa.
Uh-huh.
Holy cow, bro.
Towards the back, go
Go,
towards the back.
hold on, let me get the rod out of the way. I'll get the rod out of the way.
Go towards the back.
Get it out of my way.
Oh, no, no, pull him out. You're good.
Wait.
There you go. You got it.
Grab that net, grab that net. Here you go. Redfish.
Redfish. Nice.
Finally!
Keep him in the water.
Hold him more this way.
He's really slimy.
Oh, a little higher. Oh, a little.
Really?
Hold it nice and parallel this way.
What?
You tilted in the there. Oh,
There you
not
go.
too much. Go back.
Lift his tail up.
Come this way. Oh, not too much.
Tilt it back toward you, the top. Top fin toward you.
There you go.
There you go.
Perfect.
All right, let me get the release.
Am I releasing him?
Yeah, so you remember you want to, with the release,
Yeah.
you want to hold the tail, grip around his tail like this, like a handle, like that, over the top of the tail. There you go. Now shake him, wiggle him. There he goes. Oh, he's gonna go right in the. He's gonna go right in the live well.
Feed me now. I'm starving.
Oh, he's gonna go in the live well. He's like, yo, open up the buffet, damn it, I'm here now.
Down the hatch.